If you want to increase your YouTube watch time and get more views from your existing videos, then adding an end screen is one of the easiest ways to do it. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to add an end screen to your YouTube video, helping you increase watch time, improve audience retention, and grow your channel. So, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to YouTube Studio for the channel where you want to add an end screen. In this tutorial, I'll upload a new video from scratch to show you the complete process. Once your video finishes uploading, fill in the basic video details such as the title, description, tags, video language, recording location, and anything else you normally add. When you're done, click Next until you reach the Video Element section. Here, you'll see the Add an End Screen option. Click Add, and the end screen editor will open. By default, YouTube provides a few ready-made templates that you can use. However, if you want to create a custom end screen, click Add Element and choose what you want to add. For example, I'll add 2 video elements. Next, drag and position the video elements wherever you want them to appear on the screen. To link a specific video, click on the video element, then select Choose Specific Video and pick the video you want to promote. Repeat the same steps for the second video or any other element you'd like to add. Once you've finished customizing your end screen, click Save to apply the changes. After that, continue with the remaining upload steps and publish your video just as you normally do. Remember, end screens only appear during the last 5 to 20 seconds of your video, so make sure you leave enough empty space during the ending to avoid covering important content. Once your video is published, this is how the end screen will appear to viewers when they watch your video on YouTube. During the last few seconds of the video, the end screen elements will be displayed, allowing viewers to click on your recommended videos, playlists, or subscribe to your channel directly. That's it for today's video. If this tutorial helped you, consider leaving a like and subscribing for more YouTube tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.